Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to make first letter capital in Excel file. Suppose I want to make A1 cell capital. So click on B1 cell and write equal proper first bracket A1, then click on enter from your keyboard. Now drag this Now you can see that all cells become capital. Now if you want to move to another sheet, just copy it. Copy it. Then go to another sheet. Right click from mouse. Then click on first special. Then click on values. Now click on OK. Now it will paste only values. It will not copy formulas. If you need virtual assistant service, then you can order me in Fiverr. My Fiverr link is given in my video description. So check my video description. Or you can contact with me in my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given in my video description. So check my video description. Thanks for watching the video and don't forget to like my video.